Hello my dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel Education by Shiraz Gugoi once again. Today we will discuss about multiplication and division of decimal numbers. That means multiply two decimal numbers, next divide a decimal number by another decimal number, or multiply one decimal number with another non-decimal number. Okay, so let me explain. Now take an example. 22.5 multiplied by 10. Question is 2.5 multiplied by 10. Then what will you do? At first think this is at 25, not 2.5. Think as 25. Now 25 multiplied by 10. 25 into 10, answer is 250. 250. Now how many decimal place? Count one decimal place. So give decimal place. Count from right to left. In front of one digit. See, now answer is 25.0. 0 meaningless, so you can write as 25. That is 2.5 into 10. Answer is 25. Again, one more number. 2.5 multiplied by 100. 2.5 multiplied by 100. Then see, at first think as 25, not 2.5. And 25 into 100. Answer is 2500. Now how many decimal place? Count. There is only one decimal place, so give decimal in front of one digit. Always count from right to left at one digit. So answer is 250. Similarly, you can multiply more numbers. Okay, next question. Again, 2.5 multiplied by 7. Now question is 2.5 multiplied by 7. At first thing as 25, like previous question. 25 into 7. 25 multiplied by 7. Then 7, 125 is 175. Then 175. Now count how many decimal place? One decimal place or not? So you can write as 17.5. That is after one digit. Next, one more example. 4.4 multiplied by 2. 4.4 multiply by 2. Then at first thing as 44 and next multiply with 2. Then 44 into 2, answer is 88. Now count decimal place. How many decimal place? Only one decimal place. So give after one digit. Count from right to left. 8.8. Okay. Now here only one decimal place and another is one decimal number and another is non-decimal number. Next I will multiply one decimal number by another decimal number. See. Now 4.4 multiplied by 2.2. Now question is 4.4 multiplied by 2.2. Both are decimal numbers. Then what will you do? At first this one write as 44 without decimal, and 22. This one write as 22 without decimal number. Now multiply. 2 4 8, 2 4 8, 2 4 8, 2 4 8. Then 8, 8 plus 8, 16, 8 plus 1, 9. Answer is 968. I got 968. Now see the decimal place. Count the decimal place. Here how many decimal place? One decimal place. Here how many decimal place? One decimal place. 1 plus 1, how many decimal place? Two decimal places. So count decimal place from right to left. 1, 2 after two digits. So answer is 9.68. Let us take one more example. If 47, okay, 47 multiplied by 0.02. 4.7 multiplied by 0.02. Then see, this one thing as 47. Without decimal, we can read as 47. This one without decimal, we can say as 2. 002, that means 2. Then multiply. 2 7s are 14, 2 4s are 8, 1, 9. I got answer 94. Now count decimal. Here how many decimal place? One decimal place. Here how many decimal place? Two decimal place. Total 1 plus 2 equal how many? 3 decimal places. So see, 1, 2, but not 3 digit. So write here 1 0 and give decimal place. That means 0.094 is the answer. Clear point? Next, divide one decimal number by another decimal number. Let us take an example. Example 2.5 divided by 10 means 2.5 divided by 10. Then find the answer. See, here how many decimal place? One decimal place divided by 10. 10 means decimal place increase. Then your answer will be at first write as 25. Here already one decimal place divided by 10. 10 means 1 0. That means 1 1. Total how many decimal place? 2 decimal place. Means 0.25. Next, one more example. See, 2.5 divided by 100. 2.5 divided by 100. Then at first write as 25. Now here how many decimal place? 1 decimal place. Here how many decimal place? 2 decimal place. 1 plus 2 total how many decimal place? 3 decimal places. 1 plus 2 equal 3 decimal place. So give decimal place in front of 3 digits. Then see 1, 2, no 3 digit. So give 0 and write here decimal. That means 0.025. Now divide one decimal number by another decimal number. 2.5 divided by 0.5. 0.5. Now divide 2.5 divided by 0.5. At first think as a 25 and this one as a 5. This one as a 5. Now divide, we know 5 5s are 25. Now see, when we multiply, then decimal added. Now divide or not, then decimal will subtract. See here how many decimal place? 1. Here how many decimal place? 1. So 1 minus 1, answer is 0. That means no decimal place. That means 2.5 divided by 0.5, then answer is 5. One more example. See. Now 3.20 divided by 0.2. Now divide 3.20 divided by 0.2. Then what will you do? At first, this one thing as 320. Now divided by 2. Then 2 ones are 2, 1 12, 2 6 12, 0 0. Answer is 160. Now see how many decimal places? Here 2 decimal places. Divide means minus. How many decimal place? 1. That is 2 minus 1. Answer is 1 decimal place. So you plot decimal place in front of 1 digit. Always count from right to left. This one is the answer. 16.0, or we can write as 16. 16 is the answer. Next, two big numbers. Okay, take two big numbers. 4125 divided by 4125. Here decimal place record. Okay, I plot decimal place here. 4.125. Now divide by 0.5. Sorry, 25. I wrote 25. 0.25. Now divide 4.125 divided by 0.25. Then how to find? At first, this one thing as 4,125. 4,125. Now divided by 25. Divided by 25. How many times? Here one time. Then 25. Then 11 minus 5, 6. And 3 minus 2, 1, 2. How many times? Give 6 times. Then 150. 2, 1, 5. How many times? 5 times. Then 125. We got the answer is 165. 165. Now think about decimal place. Here how many decimal place? Here 3 decimal place. Here how many decimal place? 2 decimal place. Now subtract it. 3 minus 2. That means only 1 decimal place. So count from right to left. That means 16.5. That means if two decimal numbers we need to multiply, then you will add the decimal places. If we need to divide one decimal number by another decimal number, then you will subtract the decimal places. Clear point? Okay. Thank you. This much for today.